we've had various incarnations since you've been in England. You've been the special one. You've been the happy one. What does Manchester make you?
I don't know. Really. The other two times I was arriving at the country. This is a different one. I was sacked by Chelsea, and then I stayed in the same country, in the same competition, with the same faces in front of me, basically. So it's nothing new for me, really. It's just arrive into a club that is difficult to describe. It's difficult to find the right words to describe this club. I don't like the denomination that many times people use, is the dream job. This is not a dream job. This is reality. I am Man United manager. But the reality is that I think it's a job that everyone wants, and not many had the chance to have. And I have it, and I know obviously the responsibility, I know the expectation. At the same time, I know the legacy. I know what is behind me. I know the history of this club. I know what the fans they expect from me, and I think this challenge obviously doesn't make me nervous, because my history in the last 10 years or more was always to live with big clubs' expectations, and I think it comes in the right moment of my career, where I feel obviously very well prepared, very stable, and with a great motivation. I can say that I am where I want to be. I want to be in this club. I want to be in this country. I want to be in the Premier League and in the domestic cups. I feel a bit frustrated that I'm not playing Champions League. I don't hide that I chase Sir Alex records in the Champions League number of matches as a manager. I am around 130 matches, a little bit more, a little bit less, and hopefully it's only one season that we are not there. And when I say we, obviously the club is much more important than myself, and Man United is a Champions League club, and we have to make sure that July 2017, instead of waiting for the Europa League playoffs and then the group draw, we have to make sure that this club is where it has to be, which is obviously the Champions League.